Download Ninja VPN and CapCut. Link in description. Open Ninja VPN. Then tap Fastest Connection. Then tap Dismiss. Then tap Fastest Connection. Scroll down for Singapore. Here, then go back. Open CapCut. Tap New Project. Tap Photos. Select Photo. Then tap the photo. Scroll right. Tap Style. Scroll right. Here 3D Zoom Pro. 3D Zoom. Tap 3D Zoom Pro. Now tap the photo to change. Scroll right. Tap Style. Scroll right. Here it is. And there, you can change frame rate and resolution. If this video helped you, then don't forget to like and subscribe my channel for more videos. See you in my next video.